Well, we had records scattered all over the county at various locations and storages, and we wanted to gather that up, find what we had, what needed to be retained, what could be thrown away, get it in one location, inventory that, and then of the major historical things, do something for long-term preservation. So right now we have things in two different locations, here on site and an off-site storage. And so the next step is that we inventory what we have. And the third step would be, what do we do with it? Where do we put it? How do we preserve it? Well, you know, in the future, I'd like to see a situation where, yes, the public, if they, number one, if they need to research things, and we can do that now, but to a larger degree, the history involved here, going back to 1865, if the people of Canyon County and elsewhere had access to that, to where it could readily be seen, the various interesting things of the history of this county and this state, it'd just be a great thing if we could have that readily available. Right now, if you have a specific thing that you need to get to research, we can accommodate that. But as far as having a museum situation, we're just not there yet.